GBP dollar, massive upside pressure being drawn into the key area of liquidity that we're looking for around this 36 from 36.50 area. You can see, look, bam, bam, bam. This is a very key region. You can see, obviously, if we do travel through and we're able to break this area down where we're going to be going to, we're going to keep an eye on the bodies of these 137 and then further north. I mean, there's room for this to certainly fly into 37.50, 138s, 139s, given the current macro regime at this moment in time. As we've explained with the dollar related, there's a lot of uncertainty around the US dollar, uh, rising debt levels, stagflation fears, investors demanding more yield, and they're seeing the US debt as more risky. And that surprise buyback from the Treasury Secretary being announced last week spooked some concerns. Okay, so this is all supportive of GP dollar to the upside. We're just in that period of consolidation right now. You can see we're capped here within a range. It's same as the Dixie. When you look at the Dixie, the dollar index, we're in a range as well. We might want to grab some liquidity before further extending to the upside. Keep an eye on how the price responds on these potential liquidity sweeps, but structure still to the upside, high highs, high lows. So just watch and respect that structure. This week is a very important week. We've got the Fed's preferred measure of inflation, core PCE, GDP data, and then Kevin Walsh speaking at the Jackson Hole. This is massive, this one on Friday. So there may be a little bit of choppy price action heading into that, but I'd still expect to see the dollar downside, but we may not get full commitment. Well, until Wednesday, we've got obviously we've got room for potential breakout here, especially if these numbers, because if these numbers rise, preferred measurement of inflation. Inflation here rises. That's going to spark. It's not going to be a case of dollar strength because of interest rate hikes. No, because the Fed's hands are tied because of stagflation, because growth is slowing down, but then price is sticky. So it's again, it's the catch-22 situation, which is going to be negative for dollar. Guys, I've opened up the doors again for my mentorship. So this is the final intake of 2026. Click the link below if you do want to join, or if you're interested in signing up. Go and apply.